Hi everybody, it's Alex from LaughingPlace.com here today with an unboxing video. Today we are looking at Coco, and this shiny package is the Blu-ray, DVD, and digital copy combo pack. This is touted as the multi-screen edition. I know Disney has plans to include this branding on everything coming out in the near future, including Thor Ragnarok and Lady and the Tramp, where it looks like an eyesore. But on the Coco cover it doesn't stick out too much. And there are a couple stickers. The first one, they're very proud of winning the Golden Globe for Best Animated Feature. Obviously, I'm expecting Coco to take home the Oscar for Best Animated Feature as well. Maybe they'll slap some extra stickers on this at store shelves. And then there's also a sticker letting you know that this is compatible with Movies Anywhere, and there's hours of bonus feature. And they are really pushing Movies Anywhere on this package. In addition to that sticker, you can also see this bar down here. Now on the spine, the main side, it does have Hector. You can alternate it to the other side, which has Miguel. And here's a look at the back of the box. It is just as shiny as the front, and it does advertise a few of the bonus features. Some of the highlights do include the commentary, deleted scenes, paths to Pixar, Coco, the music of Coco, and more, exclamation point. And they do say there's over 2 hours, and I'm not sure if that's including the commentary runtime, which would be about 2 hours. So we'll find out when we actually pop this in. And we'll be doing a full review of all the on-disc contents on LaughingPlace.com, but this is just unboxing. Here is the underside of the shiny slipcover. A little less exciting. That is Hector on the side there, no choice with the artwork that's underneath. And let's take a look at what's inside. So first thing, I'm just going to cover this up, is my digital copy code. It is Movies Anywhere branded. It does say that it's Coco. It comes with all the terms there. And on the back side, more information about Movies Anywhere. There is then an insert for the Disney Movie Club. And they have updated this fairly recently. It does include Cars 3 and the newest Pirates of the Caribbean film. And the back side is the exact same thing. So you can join the Disney Movie Club if you want to. And then, because Pixar gets to plan their own releases separate from Disney and their own rules, we have disc art. Here is the main, the bonus disc for the Blu-ray, which has Pepita on the cover. And then this is the feature Blu-ray disc, which does have Hector and Miguel. And then underneath that should be the DVD. There we go. And it is, again, different disc art. These are stacked discs, but the DVD artwork has a different image of Hector and Miguel. There they are for comparison. So great to have disc art. I'm glad that Pixar does it, even if Disney doesn't value disc art. I think it makes them look higher quality. And so this is the Pixar Coco Blu-ray set. This is coming out on digital tomorrow, February 14th, and then the actual disc release, I believe, follows 1 week after that. But again, for more information on all the bonus features, including how long each one is, my own personal thoughts on the film and the content of the disc, be sure to check out LaughingPlace.com, where we'll have the full review up by release date. Thanks. Have a good day. Bye.